Hi Kim, I'm going to show you how to do that problem here. So you're right that when you click on this to enlarge the graph, you use that 3-point quadratic tool. So I'm going to graph function f first as an ordered pair at 0, 0. Looks like there's another ordered pair at 2, 4, and another one at negative 2, 4. I'm going to create a second graph for g of x, so I'm going to use that 3-point tool again. And this time around, when you substitute 0 in for x, 0 squared is 0 plus 1 is 1. So there's an ordered pair at 0, 1. When I substitute 2 in for x, 2 squared is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So I have an ordered pair at 2, 5. I'm also going to have another ordered pair at negative 2, 5. I'm going to go ahead and save this and check answer. And it said it went through. Please let me know if you follow those steps, and if you didn't, I can try to figure that out here on my end.